Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on the Pulse Chain ecosystem. So here are the three coins only I watch. I've gotten rid of literally all of my other coins in terms of the meme coins. Since Ink is the best meme coin in the world, I get rid of everything else. So everything got rolled into Ink. So this is where we are. Hit my first target from the original bull flag. The larger bull flag has not come through yet. That price target is $7.04. We still have roughly 200% or more to run to get to the first fib line of the macro perspective, which is coming in at 236. And that is 226% away from our current price. So we have a lot of room to run. You guys are not late if you haven't gotten in yet. Market cap still only 150 million. There's shit coins on Ethereum that have more of a larger market cap than that. And it's backed by the best community in crypto. So that is Ink. Let's give you a quick fib for those of you who haven't got in yet. So let's do a local fib. We had a nice bounce off the local 236. Technically speaking, in uptrends, any kind of bullish hold of the 382 is a really nice bounce. So if you can get in between like $5.14, and if you get really lucky, a whale rugs it down to like $4.71, that's the best. But this looks like a buy the dip to me at the moment. Not financial advice, but this is what I'd be looking at personally. And that is Ink. So off to Pulse Chain. So we are still in our bull flag. We've had a fake out to the top. Let's take a look here, going higher. I have a original target here of 25.46. This is based off the pull on the bull flag. So let's go to the 4 hour for you. Really, really, really simple. And then once we get up to this level, we're getting really close. You get a nice hard breakout. We're going to push past not just the 618, but also the 786. And then this is putting us up here at the 886, which is a big short level for anyone who trades. But because Pulse Chain is not on a leverage exchange, there may be one or two decentralized versions. I don't see too much of an issue in terms of shorting, just because there's very few people that can actually do it. There's very small amount of order blocks here that could act as resistance, but all this is pretty much open candle, which means it should run. To give you an idea, from now to that breakout point, from today's price, you're looking at 70% to the all-time high. It's a really small 93%. So we should really quickly run past that. And then to give you the nearest two fib targets for the extensions from today, we have, roughly speaking, that was a little off, but close, 200% to the 1618, and you have about 378% to the 2618. So that's Pulse Chain. PLSX, good buying opportunity. It's probably the best one out of the bunch. I deleted the bull flags on this one, but this one had more of a cup and handle pattern, which is more of an exaggerated final stages of the Wyckoff accumulated schematic number 1. So we can drag this down now. So she dumped. Showing 95% to the all-time high. Nope, to my breakout target, excuse me. So current price is 405429. You'll drop a 0 to my target. So 95% up from now is my target. So it's sitting at 301052. So that is Pulse Chain, or PulseX, excuse me. And then going over to the daily. All right, so now you can see the all-time high from now to the all-time high to give you an idea. 160% to the 1618, you're looking at 310%, and then to the 2618, 53%. So in order of price appreciation, those that runs fastest, obviously Ink runs the hardest. Second is PulseX with its buy and burn feature. Then third is actually the layer 1 coin itself, which is Pulse Chain. But in my opinion, they're all just as valuable as one another. Although I do hold a larger percentage of Pulse Chain. Next smallest for me is PulseX, and then the smallest is actually Ink. But Ink is running like a madman, so I'm kind of excited to see what that does. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blockart Discord. Thanks, guys.